In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly center align text in Microsoft Word using a simple keyboard shortcut. Whether you're preparing a document for a professional presentation or just want to make your heading stand out, centering text is a fundamental skill that can enhance the visual appeal of your work. Let's dive into this simple yet powerful tool to make your document look polished and organized. To start, you'll need to have your Microsoft Word document open. If you haven't already, locate the file you want to work on and double-click to open it in Word. This document can be anything from a work report to a personal project, as long as it has some text that you'd like to center align. At this point, it's good to ensure you're working with the latest version of Word, as updates often bring improved user experiences and additional features. However, the shortcut I'll be showing you is standard across most versions. Once your document is open and ready to go, the next step is to highlight the text you want to center. Click and drag your cursor over the specific text you're focusing on. If it's a single paragraph, simply click 3 times in quick succession to select it all. For multiple sections, you can hold down the Control key while making your selection to grab everything you need. With your text selected, it's time to put the magic to work. To center align your text, type Ctrl+E on your keyboard. This action quickly aligns the selected text to the center of the page, giving your document a more balanced and professional look. It's a good idea to take a moment to review the changes, ensuring the text looks right and aligns with your intended design. If you're working with a Mac, don't worry, the shortcut is similar. Instead of Control, you'll use the Command key and press Command+E for the same effect. Congratulations, you're done. You've now learned how to efficiently center align text in a Microsoft Word document using just a simple keyboard shortcut. This method is not only quick and easy, but it also saves you time navigating through menus. In the future, remember this shortcut whenever you're working on documents that require neat, centered headings or sections. To recap, just open your Microsoft Word file, select the text, and use Ctrl+E or Command+E on Mac to center align your text instantly. It's as simple as that. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel more confident in formatting your Word documents. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more efficient tips and tricks to streamline your digital work process.